Hi, I'm Mimmo, guide and bike mechanic of Puglia Cycle Tours. In this short video, I will show you how to fix and change an inner tube in simple steps. It's a necessary skill for your bike ride and makes you feel safer and more relaxed during your tour. Let's get started. You realize the tire is going flat. You have a puncture. Don't panic. Stop in a safe spot away from traffic. To change an inner tube, it's necessary to disassemble the wheel. Before you flip the bike over, make sure you got the chain on the smallest cog. Remove all accessories from the handlebar that might create instability to the bike or ruin it. The steps are the same for the front wheel, except for the gears, and it will be even easier. Now, with the bike upside down, release the quick release and loosen the tightening nut from the opposite side of the release. Take the gear gauge, stretching it, and slip the wheel off. Unscrew the valve cap and deflate completely the inner tube. Press down the shoulder or the side wall of the tire starting from the opposite side of the valve. Bring the shoulder of the tire to the center of the rim, where the rim diameter is slightly smaller. Now, with the first tire driver or lever, starting from the valve, pry off the shoulder of the tire, and with the second one, continue to take the tire off. At this point, unscrew the small ferrule that holds the valve securely to the rim to remove the inner tube this way. Before replacing the inner tube, be sure to remove any pins or external objects by feeling the tire from the inside. Now insert the new inner tube that you previously inflated slightly. When the inner tube is on the rim, screw the small ferrule on the valve. So begin reassembling the shoulder of the tire starting on the opposite side of the valve. When the most of the tire is inserted, be sure to bring the shoulder of the tire toward the center of the rim as before, where the diameter is slightly smaller. Only now you can complete the operation. Now inflate the wheel up to the desired pressure. Now mount the wheel on the bike. Pay attention to insert the disc into the brake caliper. Stand like this, perpendicular to the bike, so you can see the disc and the gears. Extend the gauge to reinsert the wheel and at the same time center the brake disc and return the chain to the cog. Make sure the wheel is securely in place and close the quick release. Grab the bike by the fork and the rear garage and bring it back with the wheels on the ground. You are ready to continue your journey. Rewind the old inner tube and we will recycle it at the end of your tour. Have a nice journey with Puglia Cycle Tours.